Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Laxihub M1 indoor security camera. Now I've done a couple reviews in the past of indoor security cameras, and most of them have pretty much been the same throughout. However, in today's video, we're going to find out if the M1 is any good and worth purchasing for your home or property. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. Let's set a goal of 40 likes before the next video upload, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Laxihub M1 is an indoor security camera that comes with a 1080p HD wide-angled lens which can record videos at 25 frames per second. The M1 has night vision support with motion detection thanks to the infrared sensors. You also have two-way communication available using the built-in mic and speakers, as well as Google and Alexa integration support. The camera is smart enough to detect human motion using its PIR motion sensor that alerts the owner via notification using the Arenti app. Finally, when it comes to storage, you can either purchase the camera with a 32GB SD card or opt for the cloud storage. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 80 grams, which is super light, and has a length of 9 centimeters. The material is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and sturdy. On front, you have the 1080p HD lens, as well as an LED indicator light and camera stand. On the side, you have the SD card insert. On top, you have the Laxihub logo. And finally, towards the back, you have the micro USB insert to power the camera, one speaker, and reset button. In terms of packaging, on front, you have the device name and image of the Laxihub M1. You also have some product features and QR code to download the Arenti app. On the side, you have some product information. And finally, towards the back, you have the Laxihub product portfolio, device features, and company information. Inside the box, you get the M1 indoor security camera, as well as one micro USB cable, one power adapter, one alert sticker, one adhesive sticker, one pin to reset your camera, and finally, a quick start guide on how to set up. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by downloading the Arenti app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Next, open the app and then create an account. Once done, you will then be presented with the home screen. Select the Add button. From here, ensure the camera tab is selected and then click the M1 camera. The next step will require you to power the camera. Insert the micro USB cable into the power adapter and then insert the plug into the mains. Next, insert the micro USB cable into the camera. The app will then ask you to reset the camera to initiate the red blinking LED lights. However, if your device is already doing this, just hit next. You will now need to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Please note that this device is only compatible with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Enter your Wi-Fi password and then hit next. Remove the protective film from the camera lens if you haven't already. Scan the QR code. The camera should then make a whistle type sound once detected. Once the tone is made, hit next and your device should start syncing. Once done, you should be good to go from here. The Arenti app is really easy to navigate through. Once the app loads, you are presented with the home page, which also contains your camera feed. Once a camera is selected, you have a range of options to choose from, such as enlarging your camera view, changing the output quality, taking a screenshot, holding the mic button to communicate through the camera, and finally the video button, which starts recording. Towards the bottom tab, you also have the history, which displays previous recordings, and album tab, which shows you your saved screenshots. You also have the settings tab, which lets you configure aspects such as alert settings, cloud storage, Amazon and Google Home integration. You can also configure motion detection levels. However, this can only be set to low, medium, or high, and there's no way to set or draw them directly onto the camera feed. The message tab shows you your camera and system messages, and the Scene tab allows you to set automations. The Profile tab provides you with information such as device sharing, album, and online help. Finally, you also have a plus icon on the top right to add additional cameras. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, for a small indoor camera, you actually get a lot of features packed into this little tiny device. I love the fact that you have two-way communication, which is an instant plus from me, and the design itself looks pretty sleek and appealing to look at. The app is also great, and the setup process was super easy to walk through. For the price you pay, you definitely get your money's worth here. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Laxihub M1 from Amazon for around £23. However, Laxihub have kindly sent us a discount code, which will knock off an extra 20% from the total price during checkout. If you're interested in purchasing the Laxihub M1 indoor security camera, then you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What are your thoughts on the Laxihub M1, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.